I'm always looking for an easy way to get nutrition in, especially on busy days when I'm running around juggling housework, all of the things, and everything in between. And that's exactly why I've been loving the Collagen Co. It's just simple, add in, shake up, and you're good to go. And I know I've talked about them before, and it's because I love working with them. And right now is the best time for you to try it because they're doing something really exciting. Not only do they have really good sales going on right now, like this bundle deal, but they're giving away to one lucky person a $50,000 dream holiday. Imagine for a second your dream destination completely planned out, whether it's relaxing on a beach or a wellness escape or once-in-a-lifetime trip you've always wanted to take. Here's how it works. Every $1 you spend on their website equals 1 entry into the giveaway. So the more you shop, the more chances you have to win. So entering in this giveaway not only benefits you now, but could possibly benefit you in the future if you win this. I have truly noticed that this product improves my skin. I love the Glow Shake because I feel full once I drink it. Having a product that supports my daily routine and gives me energy just is the best thing. So if you've been wanting to try collagen or something easy to add into your routine, this is honestly the perfect time. And to start thinking, if you won this giveaway, where would you go? Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear it. And even if you don't enter in this giveaway, I would love to hear your dream vacation. Would you go to the mountains, or would you go to the beach, or would you go hiking, or maybe to see the desert? I don't know. Let me know what you guys would like to do. Somehow Easter became like Christmas for the kids, and we had 3 different events we went to, and they got so many prizes and gifts, and we're just gonna, clean up after the chaos of not being home and doing our daily tasks to maintain and keep up with the chaos. So that's what we're doing. I gave myself 2 hours today to knock out as much possible. This was today. And I decided to just pick up every single thing off of the floor, put it on this big table so that I could sort everything. Obviously, dealing with a mess this size is not ideal. When we clean and tidy up every single day, we don't have to do these massive cleaning, spending 2 hours a day doing this. But I am so behind, as you can see. Laundry is everywhere. Clean laundry is getting stepped on. All of these clean clothes have been sorted, and apparently none of them are good clothes for them to wear. So we're going to deal with that later. I put them in the black trash bag so that I can go through them and sort them and get out what's wintry, and they will have their new clothes ready for them to put in their bins and in their dressers. Now I'm putting away some of my son's type 1 diabetes supplies so that he can have easy access to them. Then we're just going to move into the kitchen, do the same thing, get everything off of the floor, and move to getting trash off of the countertops. Then we're going to sort and put things away, and we're going to get started on our dishes. I started this clean around 11 o'clock and I was done by 1. So now I'm editing it. I have an event to go to at 3. So we should have enough time to knock out the things we needed to get done today. If you're cleaning with me, let me know in the comments what it is you are cleaning. And once I finish up all of the tidying off of the floors, I'm going to wash my bed sheets today. And then I'm going to get my Moprobo 2 out, and we are going to sweep, mop, vac these floors. It's amazing. It vacuums and sweeps up and mops all at the same time. So anyways, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you're staying so motivated, so encouraged, and I will see you in my next video. If you did make it this far, go ahead and drop a chicken emoji in the comments just to let me know you're here, you're supporting, and you are watching. So much love, my friends. Stay encouraged and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.
Today's the day. We're gonna clear this mess and make a way. Little by little, watch it all come clean. Ooh, shiny and bright, the happiest kitchen you've seen. morning, don't wait, today's the day. We're gonna clear